how to create Amazon product videos for free. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to create amazing Amazon product video reviews and promotions absolutely for free using this platform, Flicky AI. Now, Flicky or Flicky AI allows you to turn your ideas, products, and different types of forms into videos with automatic AI voices. And one of its features is that you will be able to create any type of video by using a link. So as you can see here, from product to video, we will be able to transform our Amazon and Airbnb products listing into engaging videos. And so we will be taking advantage of this specific feature of Flicky AI and generate a few Amazon products and turn them into promotional videos. And so let's demonstrate it. Over here right now, this is our Flicky AI. After logging in, we're simply going to click on create new file, select video, and let's name it Amazon products. You can change the aspect ratio from square, landscape, and square, or other portrait. It depends on the size ratio that you prefer and where you would be uploading this product or this video. So let's say if you're going to upload this as an Instagram story or a reel, you should go with portrait. But if you're submitting this or uploading it on YouTube, you could go with a landscape. It all depends on your preference. So let's start with portrait. Let's click on submit. And now we have an empty project over here. Now the next step is very straightforward. There's a lot of things on our screen right now, but we will be exploring those one by one later on after we get a product from Amazon. So first, let's find a product that we would like our Flicky AI to promote. Let's find a top product right now. So let's see. Popular product in PC internationally. There's gaming merchandise. I guess we could go with a very simple one. Let's go with an electronic or maybe slippers right here, a Croc. So let's get this product over here. And let's simply copy the URL link. Go back to Flicky. Click on Magic Create. As you can see, there are multiple options for us to select. We have ideas, script, blog, PowerPoint, tweet, and product. We will be using the product, and we're simply going to be pasting our URL link. And then there's templates over here, so you can select templates, and then you could choose the type of video that you will be creating. As you can see here, you could change and select a specific template on how the video or the product will be presented. So let's go with the Lumia. Click on submit, and it will easily create a very quick video. As you can see here, it's going to be very fast. You're not really going to wait for a long time like an hour or 30 minutes. It's going to be within 5 minutes or even 2 minutes, as you can see here. And it's already halfway done, and we haven't even been speaking for a minute. So it's a very quick process, and there we go. As you can see, created successfully. Now let's judge and play what we have made so far. By simply clicking on play, you will be able to see over here
Crocs Classic Clogs. Welcome to the world of comfort with Crocs Unisex Adult Classic Clogs. Discover the iconic design that's both versatile and stylish for any occasion.
As you can see, it has created a very quick video promoting our product that we have just selected in Amazon. It created its own script, as you can see here. There's different scenes. The different scenes are the different images it will change into. And one of the first things that I noticed on the first scene is that the picture is not really that visible. So to be able to fix this, simply select the scene, click on contain, and it should have a bigger view, as you can see here. So if the picture that has been taken from Amazon is a bit too big and you're not satisfied with the amount of details that is being displayed, for example, this one, there's hardly anything that you could see, you could change it by clicking it and clicking contain instead of fit. There we go. And you could modify the text over here. If you're not satisfied with this, you could change the script of the specific scene And if you want to test out the video or the audio that you have created, so let's say this one says discover iconic design. Let's change it into discover an amazing experience, something like that. So now test it out. You could highlight it at rounds so that you could see if the script is good and works well.
Discover an amazing experience.
At pause, you can even tune it if you want. You could change the AI voiceover by clicking on the Asara over here. Then you could choose any of all of these options. There's different filters that would allow you to select and specify the different preferences that you have. As you can see here, maybe we could go with Jacob and click on X. I think you have to select more. Go on select, and it would change. So let's now try it out. Click on pronounce, and let's see.
Discover an amazing experience.
See, there we go. Now the AI voice is now different. You will be able to do that for all of the scenes that you have here. If you want, also you could even rearrange the different scenes if you want. You could move scenes from the bottom to the top or from the top to the bottom. It's all up to you. Now the output that would be created depends on the video or the product that you are trying to promote. Now this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total media, so it will take advantage of the available media on that specific link. So let's change it into something else. Maybe let's go look at PCs over here. Let's look at products available in the PC section. This should show PC, but I guess we could go with the Samsung Galaxy Z. Let's try promoting this. So what we're going to do is simply do the same thing, copy and paste it into this section. Click on submit. This one has a lot of scenes. So what's going to happen if you add another one over here is that it's going to simply add to the scenes that you have here. So if you want to use the same file, you can delete everything. For example, delete everything that we have over here. There's a limit to the amount of scenes that we could add. So you could delete this and start new, or you could even just go home either way and create a new file and just start from there. But you understand the process. Let's quickly over here, Samsung. Here we go. Create and paste it over here. We're going to have to select a template. Let's go with this one. Submit. Now this one is going to proceed without issue, unlike earlier where we were encountering issues with the amount of scenes. So simply give it a few moments so that we could check out our output with the Samsung as our main topic for today. Now let's give it a few more seconds. It's almost there. It's going to be a very quick process. We're not going to have a long time. Okay, so there we go. Created successfully. Give it a play so that we could wrap up our video for today.
Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 cell phone. Sold by Amazon.com. Unfold a cinematic experience with the Galaxy Z. Full app viewing, enhancing more.
If you can notice as well, it will also take advantage of this description of the item that you are using from Amazon. So that's basically it, guys. If you're happy with the video, simply click on download over here on the top right and click on start export, and you will be able to download the video that you have just created. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.